Welcome to Visla Workspaces, revolutionizing your team's video creation process. With Visla Workspaces, seamlessly collaborate with your team to create amazing videos together. Create dedicated team spaces for each project or team to keep everyone organized and focused. Select your All Hands Teamspace, where every member can access workspace-wide projects and assets. And use your MySpace to work on individual projects that you can collaborate on later. Easily organize all of your assets in one place, keeping your team's resources at your fingertips. Collaborate in real time. Easily transfer editing control, comment your feedback, and review together. Set your brand guidelines at the workspace level to ensure every video aligns with your brand's identity. This makes maintaining consistency and professionalism effortless. Control access and maintain security with robust permission settings on the workspace and Teamspace level. Invite guests via email to access your clips and projects. And use your Workspace dashboard to review your team's credit usage. Let Visla Workspaces be your digital office where your teams can collaboratively create videos. Start using Visla Workspaces today.